Welcome to Twin Palms Residences, Montezuma. Today I'm going to be showing you this exclusive beachfront condominium here at Twin Palms Residences, Montezuma. To start us off, we've got your own rooftop. Check out those views. It's literally on the beachfront. You're about 10 steps away from the beach and you can sunbathe all day long. You've got your own private entrance up here to the top floor to your own private pool, and you can take this staircase back down to your condominium. Why, hello there. As you can see, this is your own private entrance to the pool straight from the living room. This living room is ginormous. You've got your table to entertain some friends. You've got this spacious living room where you can enjoy some nice TV on your perfectly little cozy couch. Who doesn't like Netflix and chill? I know I do. You can also invite your friends on this spacious couch. Let me go and show you some more of these amazing rooms here in this condo. Now, we're entering the master bedroom, and you've got your own walk-in closet. Look at this ginormous closet that you can share with your partner. It's more than enough space for your partner's clothes, I can promise you that. You've also got your master bathroom here, which has got its own tub. I tell you what, you can enjoy your soapy bath all day, every day with that gorgeous view. Each bedroom has its own balcony and its own TV, and this sharing bedroom has a special bathroom. On the other side, you have a shared bathroom. You've got double-sided closets, you've got your own shower area and toilet area with access from the living room to the bathroom for your guests. And if you ever really get tired of watching TV, you can enjoy the beautiful view of Kamala Beach.
With the beach just a stone throw away, you really feel like you're living at prime real estate. Along with your private pool, you will also have access to a larger pool as part of the facilities and amenities at Montezuma Residences, as well as a beachfront shallow pool to sunbathe your worries away. There is also a business center, meeting rooms, library, and fully equipped gym. Then there is Shimmer, a world-class restaurant and lounge at the beach where you can feel the sand beneath your feet. And if that's not enough, you have direct access to one of the best beaches in Thailand, Kamala Beach, just a couple of 100 meters away from one of the best beach clubs in Thailand, Cafe Del Mar. Twin Palms Residences Montezuma, a piece of paradise in Thailand.